Hey friends, it's Sarah Catherine and welcome to Wonderfully Made. Today we will be continuing our rainbow series by drawing a rainbow muffin. Our other episodes in this series can be found in the description below, as well as a link of where to buy the art supplies we will be using today. Please remember to click the subscribe button and that notification bell so we can continue to make videos just like this. For this project you will need a Sharpie, some paper, and some coloring tools. We will be using colored pencils, but you could also use markers. Now let's get started drawing our rainbow muffin. Our first steps will be to make the rainbow wrapper. You'll want to start in the lower third of your paper to make a very small arrow, and this will be the center fold in our muffin wrapper. We will now make two other zigzags to the right and to the left of this initial arrow. You want to make them the same size. And now we'll do the lower line of our wrapper. Now connect the end of your zigzag lines to the lower line. For detail, we'll be adding some lines that will create the folds of the wrapper. There we go. Next, for the muffin portion, we'll be making 3 semicircles. And now muffins don't usually have faces, but for ours, we'll give it a happy little face. We'll start with the eyes, 2 circles. Do a large circle for a highlight in the upper right hand corner, and a small circle in the lower left hand corner. Color in the space left behind. And now the cheeks. These circles should be slightly larger than your eye circles. And remember guys, if your circles aren't perfectly round, that's no problem. We can clean all that up with the Sharpie in our final steps after coloring. Finally, I've added a small crescent shape for the smile. The last item we'll be adding to the muffin is a cute little candle. Maybe it's someone's birthday. We'll make a teardrop shape at the top. Now make a line for the wick. Now we'll be doing a series of slanted lines for the candle, so follow my steps. Finally, for some details, we'll add some specks here and there. Now we can add some color. Remember, there's no right or wrong way. Since this is a rainbow muffin, we'll be making our wrapper rainbow colored. So here we have our rainbow muffin. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. See you next time.